In today's video, we are going to tell about the bravery of Shahid Peer Singh. Now, let's get information about the life of Peer Singh from his childhood. He was born on 20th May 1918 in village Rampura Veri. His father's name was Lal Singh and Peer Singh was the youngest from his seven siblings. Peer Singh disliked the school's restricted environment and he eventually ran away from the school and he never returned back to the school. Afterward, Peer Singh helped his family on their fields. He wanted to join the Indian Army. He, despite being rejected twice for being too young, but Peer Singh harbored a desire to join the Indian Army. Then after turning to 18, he finally joined the Indian Army after independence in 1947 when our country was divided. The first war between India and Pakistan was fought over Jammu and Kashmir. In this war, Peer Singh proved his strength and courage. Battle of Tithwal. It was 8 July 1948 when Pakistan launched a fire attack from the Tithwal sector of Jammu and Kashmir and captured the Tithwal. For 4 days, Peer Singh and his commanders continued to fire heavily at the Pakistanis, but it had little effect. The Pakistanis were hiding in the hills of Tithwal so skillfully that it was almost impossible to locate or hit them. Then, on the night of 18 July 1948, Peer Singh and his commanders attacked the Pakistani positions and being firing. However, the Pakistanis related with very heavy firing and many of our brave soldiers were wounded and martyred. Pakistan also launched survival shells and explosives during the battle. The deadliest attack in the Tithwal was happening where the MMG medium machine gun was positioned. Peer Singh understood if we were to climb up and capture the place, we would first have to neutralize that MMG. He quickly rushed the MMG post which wounded him. He shouting Raja Ramchandar ki jai. He reached the machine gun post and using the Brin or similar rifle sport and his British-made Steen gun, he single-handedly killed the Pakistanis. When he looked back, afterwards, all his commanders had been martyred. After destroying Pakistanis' first MMG post, it was time to destroy the second post. As Peer Singh advanced, a grenade fell near him and wounded him. Blood began coming from one of his eyes, and the ammo of his gun had run out. He threw another grenade towards the Pakistanis, killing several of them. Now it's time to kill the last Pakistani who operating the MMG gun. Peer Singh threw a grenade at him from there and that man began firing at Peer Singh. A bullet from that firing hit Peer Singh and the grenade Peer Singh had thrown also killed the Pakistani. Then the India won the Battle of Tithwal. Peer Singh awarded the Paramveer Chakra.